Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Ed. These are my knives I buy myself, give you my unbiased opinion of, and this here is another great one from Sencut. This is the Sencut Slybolt, and with it, it's one of the first times that Sencut has used their crossbar lock, and they did a really great job with it, because one thing about crossbar locks, they are generally pretty stronger than what you would say maybe a button lock can be. But when they do it right, in my personal opinion, is when you can bring down the bar and it makes the blade pop out, which lets it flick out a lot easier. And this has got superb action on it. And of course with the thumb studs, flies right out as well. But your fingers are out of the way when you want to get it out or get it back in. So that's one nice feature that's also pretty decent about having a crossbar lock. You got the strength and you got the safety. And this is a great one. Now with Sencut, their blades are generally not as long as 3.5 inches. This one's just over 3.5 inches. It's 3.59 inches. And I'll let you see the specs right here. Let me just get that a little closer for you. Yeah, so there's the specs. And it's, yeah, there you go. It's got a great everything to it, really. It just hits all the marks. And I'm liking it. I'm especially liking the action on it. Now, of course, Sencut knives are always really razor sharp. They're super. Let's see. Do I have any hair left on my arm? Not after this video. Yeah, hair shaven, popping, and just all in all, very comfortable too. One thing I like about it is it does have like a flat part here on the scale, and that's on both sides that they have this milled. It's particularly nice with where they have it placed for the dent in here for the pocket clip. So that just makes it a little easier to just swoop right into there in your pocket. Even though I've never really had a problem with any of the pocket clips for Sencut or even Civivi, I do especially like when they do recess those screws in there so you have no snags or anything like that. But this is nice because on the other side, you just feel those extra 3 digits just rest comfortably right there on that flat spot as well. The whole thing is very comfortable to use, and it's a winner. It's very fast. And yeah, you've seen how slicey it was. You want to see me slice some other stuff? You just name it. Let's see. Do I have any magazines? Let's see what's left. I don't have many. As you can see, just slicing them all up for you guys. That's all right. Whew. That is clean. Yeah, pretty nice. One thing I like to do is eat grapefruit in the morning. And let's see. Yeah, not a problem. That's pretty clean. Yep, and you know, I'll just like, just go around here, do my little circle, give you a little culinary show here. And yeah, get a couple slices here and there. But yeah, this is going right through. Not a problem, no snags, very slicey. Perfect. Yeah. Save that guy for later. So the Sencut knives, they don't come with anything too flashy. Generally, it's just you get the cardboard box and this is inside of it. You get your, I like their microfiber cloths, really. They're very nice. You get the Sencut stickers and you get this guy here. That's an older model of a Civivi, which I think I did a review of previously. But yeah, this one's definitely worth getting. You can't beat a Sencut, really. I mean, you're getting the quality of Civivi. Sometimes I even think surpassing. I think just Sencut is just blowing away the market for really well-made knives, great materials, and great quality control. And You can flip it to the other side if you are a lefty, so you have that option. So yeah, this is a great one, and I wouldn't sleep on it, and that's about it. You guys take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey, don't forget to hit the like, and if you would subscribe, that's always much appreciated. Take care.